So this is probably a decent time to talk about tools. I keep, there are 4 things that I keep with me when I'm riding. And honestly, they're all I need to work on the bike most of the time. So first thing and the most important is a patch kit. It's got, that's my cat, excuse me. It's got patches and a little bit of self-vulcanizing fluid or rubber glue. Tire irons, need 2 of these, and these are just used to pry the tire off of the wheel. And then this is a little set of metric hex keys. And this set will do pretty much anything on most bikes.